Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the battery in the Mercedes-Benz key. Find the small button on the key, then press it and pull on the key fob, which will allow you to remove the key. Find a nearby hole and put the key in there. Press down a little and the lid of the case will open. You will have access to the battery. When changing the battery, please note that the plus should be on top. Close the lid with little pressure and insert the key back. That's all, you did it. Thank you for watching. Like this video.